Wardrobe, class 5, wings, page 24. Wardrobe, wardrobe, words, gently, gently, 2 syllables, means politely. The Bengali meaning is also there. Usage, কেমন করে ব্যবহার হচ্ছে দেখো. The girl behaved very gently. Wondered, 2 syllables, wondered, means surprised. He wondered about the events. Struggle means effort, hard toil. The soldiers put in a lot of struggle. Explained, explained, means told in details. The teacher explained different steps of the sum. Equality, 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 trisyllabic word, 3 syllables are there. Equality means sameness. We must practice equality in life. Festival, festival, trisyllabic word, occasion when all enjoy. Utsav, Holi is called the festival of colors. রঙের উৎসব বলা হয় হোলিকে. কমিউনাল, কমিউনাল, bisyllabic, people related to different religious beliefs, religious faiths, বিভিন্ন ধর্মের মানুষ তাদের সম্পর্কে বলা হলে বলা হবে কমিউনাল. কমিউনাল হারমোনি মাস্ট বি মেনটেন্ড, বিভিন্ন ধর্মের মানুষের মধ্যে সম্প্রীতি, হারমোনি, শৃঙ্খলা, সম্প্রীতি, মাস্ট বি মেনটেন্ড, অবশ্যই বজায় রাখতে হবে. হারমোনি, হারমোনি মিন্স ফ্রেন্ডলি অ্যান্ড গুড রিলেশনশিপ, বন্ধুত্বপূর্ণ ভালো সম্পর্ক. উই শ্যাল ট্রাই টু কিপ হারমোনি ইন সোসাইটি, আমরা সমাজে সবার সঙ্গে ভালো সম্পর্ক রাখার চেষ্টা করব. নাও ইন দ্য নেক্সট পেজ, page 25, start with activity 9. Fill in the blanks with words from the wardrobe. The wardrobe just I read out before you. She opened the door dash and went in. She opened the door gently and went in. সে খুব ধীরভাবে দরজাটা খুলে তার ভেতরে প্রবেশ করলো. The rest of the examples will be worked out by you, and that is why this is called activity 9. You will do these activities in a lead pencil and you will use your exercise book. A special exercise book should be there for working out the activities in the wings. Next, activity 10. Replace the underlined words in the given sentences with their antonyms. Antonyms, বিপরীত শব্দ দিয়ে এটাকে রিপ্লেস করো. Stop or gently pass by. Stop or gently pass by. Help box is there below. Inequality, dissimilar, rudely, gently, opposite word. Rudely is opposite to gently. These two words are opposite to each other. So stop or rudely pass by. So here the opposite word or the antonym of gently is rudely. Likewise, similar, opposite word dissimilar, and equality, inequality. So you try to understand the sentences B and C. Here similar, its opposite word is dissimilar. Dis is prefixed to the word similar, dissimilar. But in the next sentence, equality, before it in is prefixed, আগে জুড়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে in, inequality. Now make sentences. Sacrifice, freedom, refused, moment, sacrifice, ত্যাগ, freedom, স্বাধীনতা, refused, প্রত্যাখ্যান করা, কোনো কিছু করতে অস্বীকার করা, moment, moment, সময়, ক্ষণ, Now let's rhyme in page 26. By using appropriate words, you may take words from the help box. There are so many words here to fill up the box to make it a rhyme. And at the bottom, discuss with your friends about your favorite great personality of India. You may use the given hints. Some hints are there, such as name and in which state or town he or she was born, his or her family background, his or her activities that appeal you. Discuss with your friends about your favorite great personality. তাহলে my favorite hero is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bosu. I can write this way. There may be other heroes too. You may write the name of your choice. I don't insist on giving his name. There are so many great persons born in our country and around the globe. So, not necessary that you have to write something about Netaji, but you must give a name, and you may start like this. My favorite hero is, or my favorite person is dash, and he was born in Kotok, Orissa, in the year 1897. His family background, his father's name, his mother's name, his father's profession, how his mother was, what type of student he was, what type of leader he was, what great performance you have seen in him. So I will stop here today at page 26. And the next day I will start at page 27 and work out all these activities, do all these activities at home. And also I would request you to buy one 3-lined cursive writing exercise book. There you will try to note down the English alphabet, English letters, small letters, capital letters, which are used in writing, not which are printed in books. In English there are two types of letters. Those letters which are used in writing are called cursive letters. You will try to improve your handwriting during this lockdown period.